Here is our final consonant blend, ST. Let's see, S says S. Again, S. And T says T. T. If we put them together, we have ST. And that will be at the end of words. So let's see what words we can make. Are you ready? Good. Let's tap and stretch this word. Fast. Tap and stretch it again. Fast. Good. Say it fast like a word. Fast. That's right. Fast. That's the word fast. Good job. Tap and stretch this word. Last. Tap and stretch. Last. Say it fast. Last. Say it fast. Last. Yeah, that's the word last. I was the last one to get ice cream. Tap and stretch. Mast. Tap and stretch. Mast. Say it fast. Mast. Say it fast. Mast. Yeah, mast. Mast is the big pole on a sailboat. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Past. Tap and stretch again. Past. Say it fast. Past. Say it fast. Past. Yeah. It's 5:30. Time to start dinner. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Vast. Tap and stretch. Vast. Say it fast. Vast. Say it fast. Vast. Yes, that's the word vast. And that means like a huge area, a vast area. All right, let's change these out and see what we get. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Best. Tap and stretch again. Best. Say it fast. Best. Say it fast. Best. Yeah, you're the best at playing checkers. All right, let's tap and stretch. Jest. Tap and stretch. Jest. Say it fast. Jest. Say it fast. Jest. Yeah, to jest would be to play around, to fool around. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Nest. Tap and stretch it again. Nest. Say it fast. Nest. Say it fast. Nest. Yeah, a bird's nest. Okay, Let's tap and stretch our new word. Rest. Tap and stretch. Rest. Say it fast. Rest. Say it fast. Rest. Yeah. Do you need some rest? Tap and stretch our new word. Test. Tap and stretch. Test. Say it fast. Test. Say it fast. Test. Good. I need some rest before the test, right? All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Vest. Tap and stretch. Vest. Say it fast. Vest. Say it fast. Vest. Yeah, I have a nice vest that I like to wear over my shirt. Tap and stretch. West. Tap and stretch. West. Say it fast. West. Say it fast. West. Yeah, I live on the west end of town. The opposite of east is west. Let's tap and stretch our new word. Zest. Tap and stretch. Zest. Say it fast. Zest. Say it fast. Zest. Zest is when you take off tiny little pieces of like the peeling of a lemon. That would be called the lemon zest. Good job. All right, let's tap and stretch our new word. List. Tap and stretch. List. Say it fast. List. Say it fast. List. Yeah. So I'm making a list of all of my favorite foods. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Mist. Tap and stretch. Mist. Say it fast. Mist. Say it fast. Mist. Yeah, the mist might be the wet little droplets in the fog when you go outside. That would be misty. Okay, let's tap and stretch our new word. Dust. Tap and stretch. Dust. Say it fast. Dust. Say it fast. Dust. Yes, dust. You need to dust your room. Right, let's tap and stretch our new word. Rust. Tap and stretch. Rust. Say it fast. Rust. Say it fast. Rust. If you leave some metals outside to get wet in the mist, they will get rust on them. We call that getting rusty. Okay, one more. You ready? Tap and stretch. Just. Tap and stretch. Just. Say it fast. just. Say it fast. Just. Yeah. Just do a little work, and then you will be a great reader. Good work with final consonant blend ST.